Can I have that, buddy? Can I have that? No? Okay. He's hanging on to that one. Midland Terminal Depot.
This one is not free.
What do you mean? It's not free.
Not free.
Why not? Well, did you not want to do it?
Let's see how much.
Some pictures. Old slot machines.
So where'd you guys come in from?
South Fork.
Oh, okay. That doesn't work?
Slight issue, yeah.
I've been looking for the donkeys. I was up by the high school, but I haven't seen any donkeys yet.
I saw the donkeys. They were on they were on Car.
That's where we were, Car.
You're on Car?
Because we were staying at the hospitality
Yeah,
house.
there's little poopies in the road when I was coming to work today.
That's a good tip.
I guess we just.
You follow the poop, but yeah.
I guess we just missed them.
The post office area.
Okay, yeah, that's it.
The post office. And yeah, if you see the poop.
Follow the poop.
If it's fresh, they were just here. They were in my front yard yesterday. So.
Oh, well. How many of them are there?
I think there's 13 roaming and 2 at the shed, the winter shed right now. We just adopted 2. I didn't even know we did until somebody said, well, there's 13. I said, well, there's 2 older ones in the shed, so 13 to 15. And they're pack animals. They like to be together, so you'll see them in groups of 4 to 6. Yesterday at 6 o'clock, we were going to.
All right, it's a museum here in Cripple Creek. We got photographs, all kinds of stuff. Smoke Up. It's an actual advertisement. Wow, it doesn't say for what brand. Got a little bit of everything. A lot of it's gambling related. There's a still.
Hi, Mike. This is Joanne at the District Museum. I just talked to Lauren, and he said 12 noon tomorrow at the Pocket Park is going to be your best bet to get.
It's an opium pipe right there.
Did you go down to the Pocket Park where they have a mural on the wall?
That thing is huge.
That's where
Yeah, it's a cash register. Look at my hand. Look how big this cash register is, guys. It's my hand. That's the rest of the cash register. Wow, massive.
From 30 to 50 people will be standing.
It's a Model 592.
We go early, all right? Okay. Now, and one other thing. They are going to have Mount Pisgah Speaks this year. And they said to go on the website and follow our events.
An old roulette.
The District Museum as a website will have the information on the Mount Pisgah Speaks. Okay, so, and it is going to occur again this year. I think they're just working on their website. In fact, Lauren's the one who's doing the website, so he told me to have you guys go to the website.
Cheating device. Had a little spring load. Come up your sleeve with your whatever card you needed.
Okay.
Amethyst bottle.
Yeah. Well, I don't know the date for this year's. Okay. But you might find it on the website. That's what. You can go on the train ride. You can go out to eat. And you just can come back and forth
Alright guys, there's just so much stuff here, like usual in a museum. When I do a video, I'm not going to try to point out everything. I'm just going to pan around for you.
And under 6.
There's just too much to see. I usually pan around for you guys and turn the camera off, and then I go look for myself because I can't really see much when I'm filming.
We're on a fact-finding mission right now.
Okay.
So we don't have to jump the gun right now. Up until 4 o'clock, is that correct?
4:30.
And where does that train go?
It goes up to the top of the hill, just before Victor. It stops and turns around and then comes back down, and it'll show you, like, they do Echo Valley, they honk the horn and you hear they go across, and they do, you see Bob Google Maps, cabin, you'll see, they'll make
How long is that?
a little over an hour.
So that will take place in a...
Okay. And buy those tickets at the red.
Apparently there's some other buildings we now have access to as well. So, and they give us all day. We got till 4:30. We can come and go as we please.
Did you get any kind of proof that we actually bought the ticket?
Yeah, this thing's stuck on my shirt.
You can buy these tickets and they're good for the whole day. If we want you to enjoy them. There's so much to do. So, we just made our tickets available. I'm gonna buy them before we
Yeah.
But if you wanna go buy your tickets over there and figure out your schedule, we'll come back and see us. Okay, well, or should I put that on the top of the list?
And so, the museum of activity here is...
5 buildings. This one's 3, 4, 5. And then there's the SR.
Look at the pharmacy counter. I'll read a few of them off for you. Skull cap leaves. Our herbs, roots, and barks are always fresh and reliable. Barberry bark. 𝐭𝐫𝐚𝐬𝐿, it's for dentures. Dog grass. Mullein, I don't even know what these are. Dog grass. Comfrey root. Squall vine. Aconite leaves. I don't think these are even real. This must be what they call quackery. Is this stuff real, people? Let me know. Couch grass, cherry bark, pennyroyal something, yarrow. That's some crazy stuff, man. I guess back in the days, you know, you just took whatever you thought worked. Most of it probably just killed you. No person shall expectorate spit upon any sidewalk or upon the stairway, floor, or wall. Fine $10, no more than $6, no less than 6, no more than 10. That's because they would be spitting the flu and the viruses. I mean, they had everything. This is back before the days of penicillin and stuff. Oh, look, here's some things. Barberry root is for ulcers. Cherry bark is bronchitis. So I guess they are real. I never heard of them. Let's see how much food cost in 1937. How about a 2-pound box of crackers for 17 cents? 4 tall things of milk, probably quarts or half gallons, for 27 cents. That's for all 4 of them. A pound of bacon sliced, 30 cents. Wow. I'm going to go back in time. We have a nice supply of live frying chickens. You may have them alive, or we will dress them while you wait. What a nice service. Look at the Bible. That looks like a... I don't know what it looks like. It looks like a painting or something, but that's a Bible. It's huge. Anyway. Oh, barber pole. Cool. It's a real one, made out of wood. We got a tobacco cutter. Now, this is not for your cigars. It's for... They used to sell plug tobacco back in the days. You'd buy a plug, and they'd say, "Give me an inch," and they go, and you get an inch. And these are root beers. 1893. Root beers. Wow. Didn't know root beer was that old. What I saw at Cripple Creek. Looks like a mermaid. Leather postcards. Wow. A leather postcard. Oh, cool. Little toy gun there. Like a keychain kind of thing. Another cutter. Coffee grinders. Cinnamon, pepper, bacon powder. Yeah, I like these kind of things. Alright. There's your old ball and chain. This is the real ball and chain, guys. From the jail. 1901. And we're going to try to go there, the Outlaw and Lawman Jail Museum, somewhere down the road. So they actually put these on people.
It goes on for a long time, so if you want to walk around and have this back.
So you're not going to get far with those on your leg.
Or you can sit here and watch it. Either one, and that.
What is it?
The final stop in this thing, there's a gift shop, and these videos are on. Okay.
Is that the red building?
Yeah.
Wooden water pipes used in the late 1800s.
The top part is still part of the
Wow.
museum.
They made wooden water pipes. Who knew? That is a wooden water pipe. That's pretty crazy.
It's driving up to Victor and back. Yes, that is the only train.
Alright, let's see what else we can see.
You gotta buy the tickets at the depot ticket office.
I couldn't remember, it was 3 years ago when we got one last year.
That's a lot to
Excuse me?
remember after 3 years, right?
Okay, I'm gonna go get you.
Oh, look at your staircase. What was this? This was a train depot
This
originally?
is a train depot, right? And this is a cantilevered staircase that was handcrafted. And if you hold on to the outside, because the steps are larger on the outside than they are on the inside.
Oh.
So, and you will see signs all the way. Watch your step and use the handrail.
Cool.
And we don't have an elevator or bathroom because it's an old building.
Wow. That's a heck of a staircase. Well, we've seen these a couple times. Windlasses. One would go up and one would go down. Yeah, of the mine. Oh, look, it goes up to the 3rd floor. Who knew? There's 3 floors in this thing. This train depot is huge. Huh. Got a wagon here. 𝐒𝐻𝐿. Main Street, Cripple Creek. Oh, we have some firearms here. Look at that one still in the box, guys. That's something, isn't it? That is a Colt model 1849 pocket revolver, 31 caliber, 1860. 1860. Smith & Wesson Model 3. That is a big. It says 44 Russian caliber, made in Belgium. It's a big gun. Takes a big hand for that one. There's a double Derringer. Single action Army Model 1873. I think they're kind of more common. Colt Model Thunderer 6-shot, 41 caliber. That's their first double action revolver. Found in Cripple Creek. .1849 pocket revolver. I know these are hard to see through the glass. 1860s 31 caliber with a stagecoach scene on the cylinder. I'm looking close, guys. I just can't see the cylinder close enough through the glass, but there's some kind of engraving on it. This is a cap and ball muzzle loader. Goes all the way across the whole case practically. 1820 to 1840. That is old. Look at the woodwork on that. It is something. I hope that comes through. All right, what do we got around here? Typewriters. Oh, we just got a little bit of everything. Hey, what is this? A teletype machine. This is one of the last 28 type teletype machines the Mountain States Telephone and Telegraph Company used. Who remembers phone booths? I do. but not like that. I've never actually used a phone booth that old. This is the old style. I'm not supposed to touch, so I won't touch. Ooh, switchboard. Old typewriters up top. Wow. You know where I used to live when I was a kid? There was a giant telephone building down the road, and this is what they did inside of it. The room was filled with these and ladies running the switchboards.
For a very short period of time, my mother worked for Centel, and she did that.
It might have been a Centel. It was in Culpeper, Virginia, where I lived. Yeah, I don't think it was there long. I mean, I think it got shut down shortly after I was a kid, but I do remember the building being open. And I do remember people worked in it. Look at that, September 1878. That's what they used to do. They would sit there. Can I help you, please? I don't know how they figured all this out, man. I mean, you can be some kind of genius to figure all this stuff out. But I guess it became a matter of habit after a while. These are Jack Dempsey's boxing gloves. Jack Dempsey is worked here near Cripple Creek in one of the mines. They fired him. He couldn't keep up, and turns out to be a world champion. Isn't that something? Wow, I think we might have some original floors going on here. Check that out. Oh, we're in the train room. You weighed your luggage here. Get some signals and things here. It's a locomotive headlight here, actually. I'll show you the scale. Here's my hand. This thing is huge. So much stuff. I can't believe there's a third floor. There's another room up here too. I'm gonna go over there to the other room. Oh, okay. These are all gold and ore samples. So, looks like Nevada, Colorado, New Mexico, a little bit of everything going on here. If you can't read them, I'm not going to be able to pronounce them, so I won't. But there they are. Pyrite, that one I can pronounce.
Cinnabar. Aquamarine.
Okay, this is a 46-pound nugget of turquoise. That is turquoise. All that green there is run through this whole nugget, and up top are some samples of things that could be made from that turquoise. This turquoise was mined right here in Cripple Creek, and it's the largest piece of turquoise ever mined in the state of Colorado. Now you know what I know. That is a monster. I have no idea how you get the turquoise out of that to turn it into something like that, because it just looks like speckles and bits and pieces. It doesn't look like there's a solid piece in the whole thing. So I'm not sure how you deal with that. Here's some more turquoise. This is turquoise with gold. One of the only places in the world it can be found. It's in this cup. You see in that cup, I'll try to zoom it in. Inside that cup. See the little sparkles? That's turquoise with gold. And there's some roasted gold ore. We learned that in our mine tour. That's how they got the gold out of it. They basically roasted the rocks at 1800 degrees, I think he said. Chemical guys to figure out. Because honestly, you don't know if you got gold or not. Gold is not what it looks like when it's in a rock. It doesn't look like gold at all. You have no idea that you found gold. You just got to know how to do it. So these are all gold specimens, by the way. Does anything in there look like gold? No. That's what I'm saying. You need to really have a chemical background, geological chemical style background to know what in the heck you're doing. Because they showed us down in the mine a gold vein that doesn't look like gold at all. It's just a different, just a darker color. So gold mines have no pity. Oh boy, I hate to be the one wearing that hat. Crushed. Carbide. Made acetylene is what those were. Calcium carbide with water makes acetylene. So they were wearing acetylene torches on their head. These are more samples of stuff. Cool. What do you think? The El Paso County Bank. Paid to the order of myself. $200. Jewelry made from Cripple Creek gold. Oh, that is an awesome lapel pin there. It says Cripple Creek with the windlass, buckets, shovels, picks, tie clip or lapel, maybe tie clip. Get some gold rings, some cufflinks, 3 gold rings. All right, we're gonna go one more floor up on our mining tour. Museum tour. Yeah, that's some beautiful wood. I'm not sure what it is.
It's like tiger maple or
Something. Up we go. Oh, where'd that room come from? Leslie found a new room that we didn't know was here. Is this a popcorn machine? Nope. Oh, it's like a 3-dimensional map, but it's not lit up. Okay, so obviously we have some mining stuff going on in this one. I'm just gonna pan for you.
Well, I think the world's biggest bellows.
I know, the bellows is massive. This sign was actually in the mine we went in, along with the bell and the light bulb. And they used it while we were down there. Some more gems. What is it? Well, I know what it is now. I don't have to look. Do you know what it is? I'm going to come back to that and tell you what it is without looking, because I know what that is. Pretty sure that's what I think it is. Yeah, okay. I'm going to come back to that, then I'll tell you what I think it is, and then we'll look. If you know what it is, put that in the comments. So this is a map that you look straight down on. Oh, wow, I can't even imagine. There's so many tunnels and crap going down there. They demonstrated these in the mine we went in yesterday. They actually ran them for a second. Stopers. They used to do it by hand, and then those came out. All right, I'm going to tell you what I believe this is, and then we'll check. I believe this is how they used to warm the dynamite in the old days. We're about to run out of batteries. So this is a dynamite warmer. They put the nitroglycerin froze at 50 degrees and it was below 50 in the mine. So they would put the dynamite in here and set it over near the blacksmith shop. And I'm pretty sure I am correct. It's probably in the book. This may have had its own warmer. This is a different style. This may have had its own warmer. So yeah, you were heating nitroglycerin dynamite. My battery's about to run out. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications, subscribe to the channel, leave me comments, and we'll see you real soon.